Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. But you also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car has done under 9,000 miles and is one of our former courtesy cars. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.